do we need to wait for the mailman?
Because, hey everybody, welcome to today's little neighborhood spotlight.
Hi!
We are currently in DunHill, which is a community off of Alafaya Trail in Oviedo.
Which has a pool and tennis.
Logan's very excited about that, by the way.
Also, last week was my last tennis play.
Logan's been playing tennis on Fridays, by the way.
And last week was the last week.
Yeah. So, get back.
Okay.
So, right here on the left-hand side, we have the pool. So, that's kind of exciting.
And tennis!
As well as the tennis court,
Which we just passed.
which also has a basketball court in there.
What? A basketball court?
Yeah.
Why isn't that on the paper?
Because it's not. So, and then also in here in this community,
Wait.
median sales price is $343,500. Yeah, and the typical days on market is about 7 days.
I can stand up!
Yeah, Logan, yes you can. So,
And this is not our neighborhood.
7 days. No, homes in here were built between 1990 and 91 is when they started.
What?
So, yeah. So,
That's a long time ago.
yeah, it is.
Like over 3,000 days ago.
It's definitely over 3,000 days ago, in fact.
3,065 days ago, in fact.
That's a year. And it's over 30 years old for sure.
Actually, a whole year is 365 days.
Yes, it is. Now,
In 52 weeks.
Logan, question for you. You know what the HOA is?
No. I
It,
don't see that on...
it's there. It's $455 per year. So annually, you would have to pay $455.
Wait, is it right here?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
So you pay annually for that. So not that expensive considering you've got a nice little community here that's well taken care of.
Fruit punch flavor.
As you can tell, 6-year-olds go from one topic to the next rather quick. But
I love fruit punch flavored Gatorade.
fruit punch flavored Gatorade is pretty good.
It's the best.
Now let's talk a little bit about schools.
Yeah.
So the schools that are zoned for this neighborhood currently are Evans Elementary, Jackson Heights Middle School, and Oviedo High School. So good, strong school districts located in Seminole County School District. So, something that if you're looking for a good school for your kids when you're relocating,
Yep.
this is one of the top-notch areas.
Yep.
So,
And it's in Oviedo, which is near Dairy Queen, and Oviedo is my daddy's work.
yeah, my office is across the street from this neighborhood,
Yep.
and
The Rios.
Dairy Queen is down the street.
Yep.
And then you also have the Oviedo Mall, which isn't too far away either.
Yeah, I love the Oviedo Mall, which also has a district.
The Oviedo Mall has the district, which what is in there?
A ball grabbing game.
Bunch of games.
Yeah.
So-
And one is a fishing game, and one is a Paw Patrol game, and one is a ball grabbing game, and I won it with a big giant ball. That's screen.
That was fun. Now,
And
also,
some of the big kids can probably not even get a big one.
yeah. Now, another thing is when you pull out of this neighborhood onto Alafaya Trail, which is what it's off of, if you go right, you're going to be heading down towards UCF.
Yes.
So the University of Central Florida is where you would be heading, which is kind of super cool because you got the football games that are going on there, basketball, with them going into the Big 12. it's going to be a big thing. So, and as you can tell, we're back up here near the front, passing the tennis courts and the pool area, which is a good thing. And then when you keep coming up here, you're going to actually see.
Behind us.
Yes, he is. You're going to see Alafaya Trails as the road right in front of us.
Yep, the reals.
It's getting real, but it's always good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little drive through this neighborhood, this great little DunHill neighborhood off of Alafaya Trail in Oviedo. And if you have any questions about any homes, neighborhoods in Oviedo, whether it's this one or another one, give me a call.
And if you have a math question, ask Logan Edward Veigle.
Logan is the math expert in this dynamic duo.
Yeah, I'm good at math. Only adding and dividing.
All right, you guys
Not
all have...
subtracting and multiplying.
You guys have a good rest of your day. I'll talk to you later.
Goodbye and good